Hi, my name is Tenmuli Ramachandran, new product introduction engineer from Suitable Pens. Today, I would like to share something about our company product. It is frying pans. These frying pans date from 3rd century and was supposed to be manufactured in Wales by a Rome army officer. The key features that we can find in this type of frying pan is it has a foldable hands that make it easier to store and can carry anywhere. Before the stove was introduced in middle of the 19th century in Europa, the ordinary pan always have 3 feet. As this customer product in Malaysia, the marketing potential of our products is located in Johor Bahru. To date, we already have the several companies that competed in the industry. Function of our frying pan is it is customized to cook into deep frying method and shallow frying. This is usually come with 20 to 30 cm with a comparative 2 slide that fare outward with a long handle and no lid. Sometimes the larger pans may have a smaller grab handle to opposite the main handle. Our team assimilation cost per unit is Rm 115 and 91 cents, including wages of labor Rm 10,000, raw material that we use around Rm 40,000, variable overhead cost around Rm 23,000 and utilities expensive Rm 15,560. We use batch production as our manufacturing production because we will product into 1,000 until 10,000 units per production. Advantage using batch production is we can lower units cost due to the greater production volume. We can offer pans in various of sizes too. Other than that, we can control spending on material as they are created only skilled workers on the process. Because the product we want to produce is have equality between as we are use functional layout because the functional layout is a work organized where the process is organized by a type of job functional and not by a value stream or circular type where the sequence process steps are located.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Sari Effendi. I am work as product design engineer. So today I want to explain about material selection. Okay, first we are using aluminium. Aluminium is a good conductor of heat. So the background of the frying pan is using aluminium. Okay. Second is a thermosetting plastic. Okay, thermosetting plastic we use at the handle, so the user can avoid from injured. The material such as a plastic with thermosetting, so the user won't get hurt and injured. Okay, third we use rivets. Okay, rivet is a pin used to connect two or more parts through hole in section. So the rivet is connect to the frying pans and the handle. Okay. Rim. We also use a rim. A slightly roll rim makes pouring liquid easier. Okay. After that, we are using a diamond coating. Okay. Diamond coating. We use non-stick coating made with diamond for the inside portion of the frying pans. Glowing pans interior coating contains up to 200,000 true diamond crystal for a long-lasting non-stick surface. Okay, and then we also use a ceramic coating. While on the interior surface of the frying pans, we use ceramic coating. Ceramic technically means clay that have been fire hardened. Ceramic non-stick coating is the typically made of inorganic material, mostly silicon and oxygen. Okay, for the dimension of our frying pans, our diameter is around 300 cm and our handle is our handle length is around 22 centimeter. It's because the 22 centimeter because it's easier to hold. Yes, to hold. Okay, that's just that from me. Thank you very much.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Aminuddin bin Mahali. Okay, today I would like to talk about the process that we use in manufacturing our frying pans. Before that, I will talk about the alternative ways in manufacturing frying pans. There are three common ways that commonly used in the industry. The first one is stamping process. The second one is forged aluminium process. Forged aluminium process is very similar to the stamping process, but the difference is only the metal or the sheet is being heated before the shaping process. And the last one is die casting process. All of this process has a higher rate of production. It can produce about 10,000 to 1 million units per year, and the difference is basically the type of metal that is used, the durability of the product, and the final price of this product. Now I will explain briefly about the process that we use in manufacturing our frying pans. The process starts from transforming the raw material into aluminum slabs, through the melting and pouring process into the vertical rectangular mold. Then the aluminum slab transfer into the heating chamber to soften the slab before passing through the hot rolling process, where the slab transfer into half centimeter aluminium sheets. The aluminium sheet is now fit into the stamping machine to punch out the frying pan shape. Before entering the curing chamber, the pans receive its exterior coating followed by interior coating process. Then once again, the pans entering the curing chamber to toughen the internal coating. The next process is installing of the frying pan's handle before it's entering the QC station. After the product is accepted by the QC, the product goes through the final process, that is the final station, that is labeling and packaging station, and the product is ready to send to the customer.
Hi everyone, my name is Thenmozhi Ramachandran and I'm the environmental engineer of this company. As we all know, our company is introduced a new product. It is frying pans. Before start a new product, as an environmental engineer, I have to undergo some survey about what kind of products people desire to use as their cookware item in their house kitchen. From the survey, the data shows that some buyers pay attention to the environmental effortless of product. Customers are more interested in buying environmental friendly product as their household. Is that our company product is suitable cookware production? As our customers of aluminium pans from our company product, you can be assured that we have done everything that we can achieve the highest expectation and thereby lead to a healthy lifestyle. And the certifies among the customer. Aluminium is known as a green metal. Recycling is fairly easy, and most important is its recycled aluminium at the same quality as the original aluminium. Recycled aluminium saves a lot of waste. From the survey that we done, we know that 1 kilo of recycling earth aluminium can produce 85.4 kilogram of waste, and 1 kilogram of aluminium recycled can create only 8.5 kilograms of waste. Finally, our aim is to reduce the environmental effect of the manufacturing process by using methods such as 100% of recycling aluminium in the manufacturing of our company. Last but not least, the advantages of using aluminium cookware in our household is it is highly durable and it is the best known as heat conductor. They are light in weight and they are rust free too. We also can use aluminium in the oven due to its immunity to the fire capability. And this is from me. Thank you.
Okay, so in conclusion, we will choose batch production as our method of production on frying pans. The materials needed for manufacture are aluminium, thermoplastic polymer, and rivets. Aluminium is used to make a pan, and thermoplastic polymer is used to produce a handle to join the pan. To make a pan, a series of processes will form a thermoplastic injection mold. Also, many machines are required to run the process. Eventually, our product was 115 ringgit and 91 cents. Okay, thank you.